Hello viewers, today we are going to see about paramagnetism. Paramagnetic substances are those which get weakly magnetized when placed in an external magnetic field. They get weakly attracted to magnet. So this is a paramagnetic substance and these are all the magnetic field lines. The field lines gets concentrated inside the material and the field inside is enhanced. That means the magnetic field goes inside this paramagnetic substance and therefore it increases the magnetic field inside the paramagnetic substance. Okay. Suppose when placed in a non-uniform magnetic field, this is a uniform magnetic field, so magnetic field gets concentrated inside the paramagnetism. So when you consider this to be a non-uniform magnetic field, then the bar will tend to move from weaker to stronger field. So suppose this field is non-uniform, this bar means paramagnetic substance will tend to move from weak to strong magnetic field. Okay. Now we deal with Curie's law. That is, magnetization of a paramagnetic material is inversely proportional to the temperature. So magnetization of a paramagnetic material is inversely proportional to temperature. And this is Curie's constant, and B is the magnetic flux density or magnetic field. Similarly, with this formula we can arrive at susceptibility. Here again we have Curie's constant multiplied by mu naught divided by temperature. That means susceptibility is inversely proportional to the absolute temperature T. Okay, and this is Curie's law. Both are Curie's law. Now, how to get this formula, susceptibility formula, from magnetization formula? So we already have M is equal to chi H, that is susceptibility multiplied by H. So M is equal to chi B by mu, because B is equal to mu H, therefore H is equal to B by mu. So you substitute the value of H, which is B by mu. Now bring this mu this side and B also this side, so you will get a chi, that is susceptibility is equal to mu by B. Now what is the value of M? M is given by C B naught by T. So C B naught by T, this B naught and B gets cancelled, therefore chi susceptibility is equal to C mu naught by T. So that's what we have. Therefore we can derive the susceptibility from this formula, magnetization formula. So susceptibility also is inversely proportional to temperature. Okay. Now we have Curie's law already. M is equal to C B naught by T. At MS means saturation value of magnetization. How to reach MS? Temperature increases, magnetization decreases. So temperature decreases mean this magnetization increases, that is it will go to the saturation value. So you can decrease temperature, or you can increase B naught also, magnetic flux density, or both can be done to increase the magnetization, and it reaches a particular point called saturation value of magnetization, which is MS. So in that case all the dipoles are perfectly aligned with the field. Okay. So beyond this Curie's law, beyond this value, that is saturation value of magnetization, Curie's law is no longer valid. So Curie's law is valid only below the value of saturation value of magnetization. Once it touches this value or above this, then Curie's law is no more valid. Okay. So that's all about this topic. For you have I hope you have understood about paramagnetism. It is not very strong, it does not have very strong properties like ferromagnetism, but compared to diamagnetism, this has some magnetic properties. Generally, it is weakly magnetized and they get weakly attracted to magnet. If you compare with diamagnetism, the field line gets repelled and goes out of the substance, whereas the magnetic field lines gets inside the substance in the case of paramagnetism. And we have seen about Curie's law. Curie's law with respect to magnetization and Curie's law with respect to susceptibility, and of course you can derive the susceptibility formula from magnetization formula, and C is the Curie's constant. Okay, so there is a strong temperature dependence when it comes for the paramagnetic material or paramagnetic substance, because paramagnetic substance, the magnetic field depends on temperature and the magnetic flux density. And lastly, we have seen that there is a value called saturation value of magnetization, and this can be reached by decreasing the temperature and increasing the magnetic flux density. And beyond that, beyond the saturation value of MS, the Curie's law is not applicable. Okay, so that's all about paramagnetism. Hope you have understood this topic. Thanks for watching. Nandri.